Number 6, the laxative food such as grapes, figs, mulberries, pears, melons, certain types of cucumbers, and certain types of zucchini should be eaten first before the meal. One should not eat them together with the main meal. So that's let's see certain types of cucumbers. Number 10. Our translation follows standard printed text of Mishnah Torah, which states the mini. I'm not sure. The state mini. However, many manuscripts and early printed edition have this. The heart of the fruit, the seed and the pulp. The latter term would seem more appropriate in the light of some of the Rambam statement in Regimen of Health. What is it? So some types of cucumbers and certain type of zucchini. Let's see, number 11. Our translation based on Rav Kappa, interpretation of Rambam's commentary to the Mishnah. Modern Hebrew has interchanged the translation of these terms. Interesting. There may be debate over our translation of some of other species of fruit. Thank you, and vegetables mentioned in this chapter. Interesting about this note about the modern Hebrew, right? To change these things around. Okay. So, so one should not eat them together with the main meal. So all of the laxative they say eat before, right? And then eat together with the main meal. Okay. Another one should wait until they have descended from the upper stomach, and then eat his meal. So mulberry, pears, melons, but so this in some cultures they eat this fruit salad, right? So, but this they usually, I don't know, in France, and I think in France or in other countries, so they use they eat these fruit salads before the main meal, before the main course. Right. So they would eat these melons. So I'm not sure if they're going to wait and as Rambam said until they descended from upper stomach, and I'm not sure about that, but that's what they do. So I was always wondered, like, why would he eat fruit? Fruit you usually eat as a dessert at the end of the meal. Right. Right, but that's not what the Rambam say.
Interesting.
I mean, maybe some other, like I don't know if you want berries or stuff like that. So maybe there is no problem. But this what is it? Melons and pears and stuff like that. Okay. Food which are constipating, such as pomegranates, quinces, I'm not sure what is it, apples, and crastuminian pears, should be eaten immediately after the meal and not in quantity. So they're constipated, so which is interesting. Apples also constipated. So after the meal and not in small amounts. Okay. Okay, last one and we stop. Number 7. A person who desires to eat poultry and meat in one sitting should eat the poultry first. So basically, with a lighter food, he goes first. Right? Similarly, if he desires to eat both eggs and poultry, he should eat the eggs first. If he desires to eat both meat and large cattle and that of the small cattle, he should eat the meat of small cattle, really like sheep, right? First. He should always eat the lighter fare first and the heavier fare afterwards. So when one said that large cattle, number 12, this is I'm not sure how to
Yeah, it's the bovine family. It's like beef.
Bovine. Yeah, bovine family. The second, ovine family. Okay. Meaning the smaller one. Okay, so we can stop here.